talking about the girls.
Nope.
The last one, yeah. I can't do any of the tube ones because they are all like 5 minutes long.
Doesn't that suck? You'll be able to post it no matter how long.
I'm gonna have to go edit it. I'm gonna edit all the falls together.
I can do that for you.
If I let you have my phone. All the videos?
Yeah.
Probably be easier just to hook my phone up to your computer. Huh? No, it'll be for the end of the year. That'd be cool. We'll get some more good video on this weekend, Labor Day weekend. No, next week.
Next week?
Yeah, Olivia's birthday. Huh? Yeah, she will. Yeah, I gotta take my boat out of the water, get gas again this week. I watched the cooler out yesterday. I went to go put a beer in there, it was all covered in mold. I was like, oh.
I like my beer tubs.
I like it when I come back here over here. Antibiotic here. There you go. I need penicillin in my beer.
Less friction.
Makes you feel like you're hydroplaning.
Less friction.
That's why I 180 so easy.
Sure.
Dude, it was just like that slow.
Yeah, but then you went back and you stayed clear.
Screaming unisons.
What are they screaming about?
Girls must know whatever you know.
They're girls, dude. They just always scream.
They're trained to yell and scream.
That's what they do. You wouldn't want to.
Well, I'm sure you would want to when you crash, but as you're going,
There's a good one.